Board of Managers, Superintendent, I am speaking on my own behalf. We have already heard no trust, no bond several times. I would like to look at these words from a different lens. Bond can mean something besides a financial instrument for institutional debt. Bonds are the attachments that make successful relationships possible. Bonds are forged in relationships when there is trust. My child's principal, Auden Sarabia, excels at building trust. One way he builds trust is through listening. Even when I shared a difference of opinion, I knew I would be heard. I knew I would not be dismissed as noise. I know Mr. Sarabia works hard to build bonds with each student and family he serves in HISD. We can all learn a lot from him when it comes to building trust and bonds. Thank you.